Welcome to Crazy Good Times, and today we're fishing down at the Ochoco Creek. This is about a 2-minute walk from my house, so I'm going to be fishing here a lot. Oh Lord, I got one! I got one, guys! Woohoo! I got one! Yes! My first fish down here. It's a little brookie. This is awesome. Let me get this unhooked. It like straight up like killed itself. Hold on, let me angle this down for you. Here she is. Beautiful. Woo! Dropped it. Got on hooker. My first fish down here. Look how beautiful she is. Little brookie. Okay, let her go. You might want to see that. She's gone. Hey guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. If you like what you saw here, let me know and I'll come back down again and tear it up with my sister and my dad. And we're hopefully going to be getting some flies like grasshoppers and stuff to come down here, see if we can do some fly fishing. But I'm really freaking stoked that this worked.